Living in Kendall offers beautiful weather for much of the year, but it also means preparing for hurricane season. While many homeowners focus on windows and roofing, your entry door plays just as critical a role in protecting your home. A standard door simply isn't built to withstand hurricane-force winds and flying debris. Hurricane-resistant entry doors are specifically engineered to provide the strength, durability, and security your Kendall property needs. If you're looking to upgrade your home's protection without sacrificing style, here's why impact-rated entry doors are a smart investment. Built to withstand extreme winds during a hurricane, wind pressure can build rapidly around your home. If a door fails, wind can rush inside, increasing internal pressure and potentially causing serious structural damage, including roof failure. Hurricane-resistant entry doors are reinforced with heavy-duty cores, impact-rated glass, if included, and durable framing systems. They are tested to withstand high wind speeds and pressure changes common during severe storms in Kendall. Unlike standard doors, these models are designed to stay firmly in place even under extreme conditions, helping protect the overall structural integrity of your home. Impact protection against flying debris in a hurricane. Debris becomes one of the biggest threats to your home. Branches, loose objects, and construction materials can strike doors with tremendous force. Hurricane-resistant entry doors often feature laminated impact glass or solid reinforced panels that resist shattering. Even if the glass cracks, the inner interlayer holds it together, preventing dangerous shards from entering your home. This added layer of protection not only reduces damage but also helps safeguard your family during severe weather. Improved security year-round. The same features that make hurricane-resistant doors strong during storms also enhance everyday security. Reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and heavy-duty materials make forced entry far more difficult. For homeowners in Kendall, this dual-purpose benefit, storm protection and enhanced security, adds significant value. You're not just preparing for hurricane season, you're strengthening your home's protection all year long. Energy efficiency benefits. Modern hurricane-resistant entry doors aren't just about strength, they're also designed with energy efficiency in mind. Many models include insulated cores and weather-tight seals that help reduce air leaks. In Kendall's warm climate, this means keeping cool air inside and hot, humid air outside. Improved insulation can help lower cooling costs and maintain consistent indoor comfort. By upgrading your entry door, you're not only protecting your home but also improving its overall efficiency. Meeting local building codes. South Florida has some of the strictest building codes in the country when it comes to storm protection. Hurricane-resistant entry doors are designed to meet or exceed these standards. Installing an impact-rated door ensures your home remains compliant with local regulations. It can also simplify insurance requirements and may qualify you for policy discounts, depending on your provider. Working with experienced professionals ensures proper installation and code compliance, which is essential for maximum performance. Style without compromise. One common misconception is that hurricane-resistant doors sacrifice appearance for strength. In reality, today's impact-rated entry doors are available in a wide variety of styles, finishes, and designs. Whether you prefer a sleek modern look, a traditional paneled door, or decorative glass inserts, you can find options that enhance your home's curb appeal while delivering superior protection. Your entry door is one of the first things visitors notice. With hurricane-resistant options, you don't have to compromise beauty for durability. Long-term value and peace of mind. Upgrading to a hurricane-resistant entry door is an investment in long-term protection and peace of mind. When storm warnings are issued in Kendall, you'll have confidence knowing your home is equipped with strong, reliable protection. Beyond storm season, you'll enjoy improved security, energy efficiency, and enhanced curb appeal. For homeowners who want to combine safety, performance, and style, hurricane-resistant entry doors are a smart and lasting solution. Protecting your property starts at the front door, and choosing the right one can make all the difference.